Welcome to Power Suits C, Citizen Hero, an AI-powered quest forge built for the AI championship. It turns everyday problems into real-world hero missions. Kids, teens, and busy adults care about their communities, but turning I care into I actually did something is hard. Citizen Hero wraps that friction in a friendly sci-fi suit interface and uses AI to break big civic problems into tiny, winnable quests. For this demo, we're using the live deployed app. In a browser, go to psc-citizen-hero.netlify.app. No installs, no login. You land on the HUD with a Forge Your Hero mission panel and space for the mission brief and suit log. Let's walk through this sample mission to show the full Citizen Hero loop. Start by entering a hero call sign so the suit brain can address the player in a fun, personal way. We'll use Night Shift for this example. Choose an age range so Citizen Hero can keep missions sized, worded, and safety checked for that player. In the mission box, type what's really bugging you in your world. The clearer this is, the better the suit brain can shape a mission that actually helps. Finally, pick how you want to help. Raise supplies, raise awareness, or organize helpers. This tells the suit brain what style of quest the player is asking for. When everything looks good, hit Boot Suit. That sends the idea into the suit brain to forge a quest. Citizen Hero sends your idea to the suit brain, which may respond with a few clarifying questions. These are lightweight check-ins that nudge players toward concrete, age-safe missions. Things like whether they're comfortable talking to neighbors or which adults can help. Once the answers feel right, confirm the mission so the suit brain can finalize the quest. Within moments, the suit brain returns a full mission brief. You see a quest name like Operation Cozy Paws, a one-sentence mission summary, a difficulty label, and 3 to 5 steps, each with Super Greatness Experience Points, SGXP, rewards. Reflection prompts and safety notes at the bottom keep the tone encouraging, safe, and age-appropriate. As you check off the completed steps of your quest, the SGXP meter changes color towards 100% quest completion, according to the color legend at the bottom. Don't worry, you don't have to complete the quest in one sitting. You can return to it later, as we'll see momentarily. When a mission looks good, click View Suit Log. The HUD slides into a suit log view that shows every mission you forged, their total SGXP, and a visual progress bar for each quest. You can click Back to Mission to return to your most recent mission, or click a specific mission card to jump back into any quest in order to continue checking off the progress steps to complete it. This turns civic action into a light RPG loop instead of a one-off generator. Under the hood, the front end is a static HTML and JavaScript HUD deployed on Netlify. It talks to a Flask API running on a Vultr VPS, which stores quests in a managed Postgres SQL database. The quest engine can run fully local using rule-based templates, or be upgraded to Liquid Metal's Raindrop Smart Inference and Smart SQL for richer, persistent AI-generated quests. For the AI championship, Citizen Hero shows how AI can scaffold real-world action for classrooms, youth clubs, and solo changemakers. To try it yourself, open psc-citizen-hero.netlify.app, forge a mission, and see how quickly AI can help someone level up their world. Power Suits C, Citizen Hero. Created by Richard A. Morgan. Trademark and copyright 2025. Hoopla, Hoorah. All rights reserved. Thanks for watching.